Hi everyone. I'm back at my barn conversion project, and we finally have gotten it insulated, and I got the sheetrockers to come in. But there's a little bit of a problem. The spray foam crew didn't clean up after themselves. By that I mean they didn't scrape all the excess insulation off. This floor here was actually clean before they started, and all of the foam that you see here on the floor was removed by me and my crew so that they could get the sheetrock applied to the studs without foam over it. So we've got a lot left to do. We've got this whole vaulted area over here, and there's a lot of scraping to do up on the ridge board and where our mid-roof support beams are on the edge. And anyhow, we got two lifts over here, which hopefully will make them go a little bit faster. But anyway, there's way more cleanup to do than I thought. So next time I'll have to be more specific about my cleanup clause.